We get a fish from right over there, hook over here. It's a good adventure for me, and I'm having fun. I enjoy this. Luckily, we can make a good food of fish. We're gonna continue until we reach to the lake. Alright, see you right there. Along the way, we came through few ponds which already dried out. This one, there's some water, and for sure you see that animal, the bird are coming along to get small fish, and maybe there's big fish underneath. So that water today, I not assume, but I'm sure there's some fish, but I don't know how big. But my aim, I want to get as big as possible, like my size. So we'll check out that pond. We came across few, but we're gonna stop here today. All right. Gonna stay in the shade right there for a few minutes and gonna take up a drone. I will do the drone shot so you guys can see all the surrounded area view, and later I'll jump into that mud right there. So I'm gonna sit for a few minutes and take up a drone. I'll see you there. See you on the above bird eye view. I wasn't ready, but there's one big fish. I saw it just right there. Gonna get quick into it. So many. Shit. Ah. I was aiming for a big one. This is a small one. However, we're gonna collect them anyway. Did you see that the whole pond? These dried out, but there's, oh, whoa, there's a big one right there. So they're hiding underneath of the tree root right here. I found a big one, but I couldn't catch it with my bare hand earlier. I gotta get myself ready again because I wasn't ready, but I saw a big one, but it's running into this one, this tree hole already. I will come back for it. Oh, this one they just scared. He's just scared and jump out of the water. Oh, that's enough for food though. I guess they hardly trying to get in this area because this is cold water right there's very hot water. Even me, I stepped into it, it's very warm. Earlier I wasn't ready, and this time I gonna get ready. I can't get muddy all over my body with all these clothes, because in this area there's no fresh water where I can actually wash out my body. So I'm not gonna take this off, but maybe just the shirts off. Get ready again. Get into that hole. I'm sure today we're gonna have a very good video for you guys. So keep watching until that part. You see, I just want to tell you a little bit right there. There's a lot of birds coming down, but that area is very hot. The water is not deep enough, so everywhere is hot. All the fish are gonna hiding right over there. It's somewhere cool down than that area. So I'm gonna start with this part. There are fish everywhere, guys, but they're small. I saw a big one jump into it. Oh. Oh, I don't know how deep is this. I can't catch it. Look. Hey, I got it. Got one. So come here. You put a camera into deeper. There's one fish from here. From this side. Face and looking at me. Right there. Put it down deeper. Deeper. Oh, I think I gotta get the GoPro into this. You know, there's a few more right there, but they're small. And the hole, there's a smaller hole, get through deeper, which my bare hand, this long arm, is not enough to reach into the hole. Okay. Yeah. There's something soften up fish.
Ah, I see a frog here. Oh,
Hey. Hey.
It's wonderful for our food today.
Gonna tie it up and make a knot. So when they try to pull it out to escape, and this knot will tie it up. So I'm gonna try to save, and during this time maybe I survive from all of this. I got this.
Wow, another frog. You see here? Yeah. Oh, here. Oh, yeah, there's a kind of frog here. Okay.
God, so many frogs down here. God, the first one wasn't biting me, and this one the second. Side, both sides. Ugh. Ugh. It's not land leech, it's real leech. Fuck in the hell. Hopefully it won't reach up to my upper part. Oh, second big one. Oh. Okay, let's go and count what we get from today. That one, my friend got it, my other friend, and then he just like smashed it onto the ground to kill it straight away, not tied up like me. I think my friend killed this fish. Yeah. All right. See what we got. 2 fish, 2 frogs. My friend get 2 frogs as well. Let's get ready to make some lunch. Okay. Wow. Actually time to get some wood pretty easy to find some wood in this area. Just another problem but what we need is oh, this is a driftwood, soft, easy to set up a fire. Pretty easy around here. Okay, keep in one pile right here. I'm not gonna destroy the whole forest, guys. Just need some wood to set up my cooking area. Look like it's good enough. Try. And I got only small amount of fresh water to cook. So we're gonna cook one for lunch, all of us, and keep the rest to go home. This is make a living for today, and happy adventure. We're gonna see how it cooks, okay? Ready? So why don't we need much water? Because we're gonna cover it with salt and grill the whole fish. But we only eat the meat inside, you know, so it doesn't really a big problem for us. So we just wash it like that, and it's ready for cooking. And that right there, you see the two stand. We're gonna poke the fish with one of the stick. Set up the fire. So when it almost cooked, we will just spring on with some ingredient. This is all based on the sauce actually. So we're gonna make a very delicious sauce, but make sure this cooked nicely without any smells. And I'm gonna set up the fire now. Yep. These are easy to set up fire. Lighter always a better choice. Ready to start. As we all starving. This is like 20% cooked of the frog. The other side is already look like a meat, but we just wanna put all the sauce and ingredient onto it. So when it cooks, this doesn't need any sauce to dip in. In Cambodia, we love it. The meat, it's a lot of meat. It's like muscle. Smell actually good. This one is not really very good, but delicious. All right, no plate, no lotus pond near here, or actually no banana tree. But actually there are a lot of bee, you know. Bee all just over me, even this one. It's cooked and some of the frog are dropped already. Oh, thank you, bro. Here. So these actually cook the frog 100%. Okay. And got some rice here. For sure, guys, we just need an area where it is under the sunshine. But when I'm eating, I'm gonna go into the shade to have rice and enjoy with my team. But here I'm gonna show you how good is the fish. We actually all hungry initially. Just the frog first. Hot. Good. Good sauce. Good frog. Just take off from the water, from the fire. It's actually a little hot. This kind of frog in French restaurant won't be as good as this frog. Come to this time, I enjoy this the most. Delicious. I'm not gonna lie, I know you cannot try, but this is delicious rather than the other frog that I used to eat. Gonna show you some fish as well. I know it's not a steak, but just want to show you and cut it open nicely. Turn this up. Ooh. See this? So, fishing today. Come to the resort. Yummy. Don't want to explain how this sauce is made, but this sauce mixed up so good and it tastes perfectly. If you wonder about the ingredient of the sauce, put it in the comment. I'll show you. Whoa. Hot. See how the smoke and the romantic smell coming out from the fish. What to compare, but I don't know what to compare. I used to eat something in a restaurant during the time that I can earn a lot of money with the tour company, but now this reminds me of one popular food. I can't remember the name. Right. Not gonna lie, guys. So good. This big. Alright. I know this is kind of eating show, but the whole video we did, we get a fish from right over there, cook over here. It's a good adventure for me, and I'm having fun. I enjoy this. Luckily, we can make a good food of fish, grilling fish. I'm gonna get into the shade and enjoy the rest of my delicious food with my team. And after that, I'm gonna take a short ride back through the rice paddy and nice view, and maybe passing by somewhere for a sunset. Enjoy with me. Cheers.